What is Crayola IDEAworks?
It is the ultimate creativity experience.
Get ready to immerse yourselves in all things Crayola.
And let's go discover our creative style right now.
Let's get ready to go on this colorful adventure that rocks. I love how right when you walk in, this place is just a burst of color everywhere.
Hey, can we have walls like this at home?
Absolutely, I don't see why not.
Make your mark. Are you ready to make your mark, Rock?
Oh, I'm ready to make our mark on the world.
Welcome to Crayola IDEAworks. You can buy your tickets in here or online in advance.
And for those do-it-yourselfers like Sandy, they have a self-serve ticket station right here.
I like doing things online and being ready and prepared.
Wait a minute, are you suggesting that I'm not the organized one around here? Just to let you know, limited tickets are available each day. And that's kind of cool, because that way it gives everyone time to go freely and roam around and see everything while you're here.
Just scan our QR code. Now we need to take a wristband. There are a ton of wristbands right here to choose from. One per visitor.
Man, I remember back in the day when kids would have their arms loaded with wristbands. Kind of like my daughter.
Go to one of these kiosks to start. I'm going to put my band. Oh, maybe I have to put it this way. Oh. Okay, now I got to pick my color. Did you hear it? You hear it go?
I cannot hear it. I can see you choosing your colors.
Yes, I'm going to do purple because purple is my favorite color besides pink.
Okay.
Boom. Oh, I got to choose my icon now. All right, you get a dolphin, face, tick, tick, ice cream. I'm gonna do the dolphin, the purple dolphin.
Looks great. So as Sandy says, scan your wristband, turn the dial to pick your color, and then lock in your image. Pay attention to details. So this is like a marker, and if you follow it all the way down, that's the cap for the marker.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, check that out. Sandy, I absolutely love this shirt. I want one for myself. I mean, look at all the colors, and I want to be in one of the color crews. Where do we get one of these? Sign me up.
There is a pre-show before you go in.
A cute little video before we get to color our world.
We get to learn about what we're about to do.
Here we go, getting our first looks into the Idea Workshop. Let's go check this out. This huge color light wall has been very popular. How colors represent your creative style. And they got all kinds represented, and you guys know one of my favorites is definitely relax. Oh yeah.
I think the cherry tomato energetic is more rock style. Don't you agree?
It can't just be me, but I am loving how they identify macaroni and cheese as a color.
So they call these Craymojis. And for example, the Craymoji razzmatazz is supportive. I created my Identify badge.
You did?
I answered 2 questions.
Out here, they're really big on teaching how to solve a problem. First, like Sandy just did, to identify the problem. And as you can see over here, she's at now the listening station to a problem with her friend the puppy, Mr. Wolf. So we're on the phone with Mr. Wolf right now. Do you like cats?
Rock is supposed to help him find his human. And he's asking him if he likes cats.
I love how they have these interactive, colorful stations all over the place.
You gotta love a doodle station.
Oh yeah, time to doodle.
That's not hopscotch. No, it's a maze.
Here at this creation station, they want you to like design a machine to wash a car, but then using like a spider web, a rake, and a giraffe. And then you're set on a timer to have at it. And as you can see, this station is very popular because it is loaded with all kinds of ideas inspired by that workstation. Ooh, I love this. Look, you get to mix all kinds of colors, and I love how the colors all around Sandy. Watch carefully and you'll see them all start to mix the different colors and stuff. And look how Sandy is touching the screens and all the different colors and stuff. There they go. Mix it up, Sandy. They really love to enhance your creativity out here. I love how they have these building stations that just encourage you to do all kinds of fun stuff with all these huge color tubes. And get bopped in the head like this to Sandy.
We are right now standing in 17,000 square foot, state-of-the-art
immersive exhibition full of color, and these kids and adults are definitely having a blast out here.
I love how they have this I have bright ideas.
I have one. Time to enter Crayopolis. It's really cool. They call this exhibit Snacks in Space. And it's testing about how to grow stuff like tomatoes on the planet Mars. But you get all kinds of building blocks like this family here to kind of test and experiment with to see if you can make those connections to help them grow all these fruits and vegetables. Around this experience, you're gonna see how they have a lot of stations and they encourage you to take selfies. But like Sandy's doing her own Crayola C-based influencer, and they're gonna post it over on this board. They even do tags. Sandy, click.
Okay, we're gonna use that.
Now, the pictures after you take them show up immediately on this Crayola Connect board, and kids have been getting such a kick out of this, jumping up and down, seeing their pictures post right away. And if we find out and know more about it, we're definitely gonna add that to the description. And look, right away, somehow we already got 211 likes in like 5 seconds. I am loving this coral reef right now and how they have all these different size hooks and batons and stuff that you can make different sizes to see that if you can reach out and connect and hook them up, just so cool how much interactive stuff they have here. Here they wanted guest imagination to be challenged.
And boy, did they ever do that.
Brock is about to do the Mars News broadcast.
How you doing? Wait! I just got here! What do you mean that's all we got time for? My big news opportunity! I'm right here! Oh. Do you have a fashion to create? This is the place, and this has been really popular out here. And I love how every workstation has a place that you can hang all your designs. You can even design your own shirts with your own logos. This may be coming soon. Have an event coming up? You might want to reach out to Crayola IDEAworks because they actually have a party room. Look looking for a place to bring the kids to party? Check out this party room. They got the place for the cake. I love the light up tables in the back. And they got plenty of room for your kids to have that whole party atmosphere. And check out all the colors. We're gonna put that link into the description down below.
Yeah, so all you do is you bring your own cake. The kids come in, they have an area where they can hang out, eat their cake, and then go play. And wow, do they have a lot to play with, don't they, Rock?
They got a lot to do, color, and mark their world.
I'm gonna scan my wristband for the last time since I completed all the tasks. Ta-da!
Wow, you collected all the badges.
I did, and I'm gonna do green. I share a creative style with cherry tomato. Isn't that energetic?
It is.
And then I got a sticker. Oh, I pressed the button. Now go mark your world. And I got my sticker. And the sticker comes out. And it looks like this.
And of course, no stop is complete without the Crayola gift shop. Ooh, neon crayons.
I want those. Are you ready to come join the fun?
Keep in mind, the Crayola IDEAworks is in your city for a limited time. And want to follow along, we're going to put that link in the description down below.
Look at that. I am loving the photo ops here. It is so much fun.
They had so many out here.
Yeah, wait till you see our Instagram and our Facebook photos. Yeah, there's so many.
We want to thank Crayola IDEAworks for having us out. This was an absolute blast.
Yeah, it was unexpected, but wow, kids of all ages, including old ones like us, bring your kids here.
I mean, yeah, their imaginations are going to soar. Mm-hmm. They're going to definitely grow. They're going to be colorful, and you can't help it but hear all the smiles and the giggles out here.
Oh, yeah. It's a lot of fun.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
what you waiting for?
Because you really never know where we're going to end up next. Be sure to make each and every day, including those filled with color, an adventure that rocks. I got to get me one of those shirts, Sandy.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
No Valentine's, but no mail either. We don't have a post office or mailbox yet to accept mail, but you can always email us at adventuresthatrock@gmail.com. Or when you're watching this video, put it in the comments down below if you want to ask us questions or send us on a favorite adventure you would like to see us go to soon.